recording guys. What's up? Okay, tara na. Takbo na natin to.
Bayad naman noon.
Bed na pala guys. Okay?
Ganda.
Testing. 1, 2, 3.
Okay guys, so may bagong camera. Ayan.
Wrapping it up. Done deal. Salamat
deal.
kay kuya.
Kuya Dandel. Dandel kay Kuya.
Satisfied customer. Tara, malalate na tayo. Palabas na tayo ng MOA. Maglalakad pa tayo. Balik na tayo sa condo. I'm so happy! We are walking the streets of MOA.
Ano?
You know, grabe quality oh. Salamat sa nagpasabay sa amin. Pasabay natin. Sige. Gala natin guys.
Ganda.
Yun.
Okay,
Testing to testing.
Vloggerist yun.
Now at Shore Residences, syempre balik tayo sa condo ng mentor natin. So, itutur ko kayo guys sa Shore Residence. Diba? We just walk the streets of Manila. So, this is the gym. And, gym yung mentor natin. Ganda. May ganito pa sila oh. May ganito pa sila. Kung nakikita nyo guys, no? Actually, madilim to. Pero sa camera ko guys, maliwanag siya. So, good. Yan, ganda dito. Yan. So, this is their pool, guys. Oh my God, parang gusto ko mag-swimming. Sarap mag-swimming dito, no?
Lamig niya.
Grabe, ang ganda. Ay, malamig siya. Pero ang sulit. Guys, ang ganda dito, guys. Wait lang. Wait ako sa inyo. You know? Solid. We're the next. Tour ko na kayo sa condo ni Mentor. You know? Eh, maliwanag siya. Amazing. Yan. So, welcome dito, guys. Tour mo naman kami, Apps. Welcome
vlog.
Yan, ito ang mahiwagang Zoom background, guys. You know.
Hey.
So, dito tayo sa labas. So, syempre, smart TV dyan. Yan. Ito maganda dito. May view, guys. See? So, yan, guys. Prepare lang kami kasi flight na po namin ng alas 4. Salamat sa accommodation. Yan, nakapag-rest tayo, guys. Ayan, fresh from Dubai. Salamat po. Meron tayong dates dito, guys, with chocolate. Ito na flavor. Okay, ayusin na natin gamit natin. Ayan, so quick kwento guys. Oh my gosh, nag-rebook po kami ng ticket on the same day. So hindi po ako aware na meron palang cut-off ang bag drop kapag meron kang check-in luggage. So ang flight po namin was 4:05 p.m. Ang boarding is around 45 minutes before the flight. So nasa Naiya na po kami ng 3:30. So, ang cut-off nila was 3:20 p.m. We were 10 minutes late. So, papayagan naman kami na maka-proceed sa flight namin, maka-onboard. Pero, yung luggage namin, which we have 3 luggages, is may iwan daw. So, hindi yun pwede. Kaya, no other choice, nag-rebook po kami on that same day and I was devastated kasi nag-book po ako ng ticket last year pa, November, for this event, for this flight. And then, sadly, maaga pa kami na nakarating sa Manila. Mga 6 a.m. nasa Manila na po kami para i-meet up yung mentor namin. But sadly, na-late pa rin po kami. So, I was really, really frustrated, devastated. Sabi ko pa kay ate sa counter na, ma'am, baka pwedeng gawa ng paraan. Pero hindi na daw. So, ayan. So, nag-search ako kung ganun pa talaga yung patakaran ng Cebu Pacific. Pero ganun daw talaga. So, wala na tayong magagawa doon. I'm just really blessed kasi we have the means to rebook a ticket on the same day. So, 3 times or I think 4 times yung nagastos po namin in that rebook ticket. So, our flight now is around 6 p.m. So, nag-wait na lang po kami. And this time, during this time, I'm just grateful kasi kasama ko po si Glomuel. So, hindi ako mag-isa na nagluluksa. So, andyan lang siya, kinukomfort tayo. But, ayun, actually, this is my second time na malate po sa flight. Kaya nga sabi ko, maaga kami kasi ayoko nang mangyari yung last time na nalate ako. And sadly, hindi natin maiwasan. Pero I know na kaya namang maiwasan sana. Pero I just prayed na maybe this happened for a reason. Maybe, I don't know, diba? It's a blessing in disguise. Somewhere out there, baka may nagdadasal din na someone na, I don't know, basta yun lang yung nasa isip ko. Pero I'm just really happy kasi naka-flight pa rin kami on that same day and you are on schedule sa schedules po namin sa Bohol on that day, on those days. So, yun lang, diba? Share ko lang kasi wala lang, para aware din kayo na ganun pala, guys. So, I'm just happy na naka-flight na kami this time.